And that is why sustainability is so important for us. And when we talk about sustainability, it's about our economic impact, our environmental impact, and also our social impact. And our social impact, I understand that there is sometimes a lack of understanding of what type of social impact a real estate company has, especially a real estate company focusing on office buildings and retail buildings. But social impact is actually impact on people. And by shifting to renewable energy sources in the entire portfolio, we have reduced our carbon emissions by 95% since 2006. And now we have a new, very ambitious goal, and that's about certifying our portfolio. And we've chosen to certify all our buildings, mainly with the certification scheme called LEED, and that's because there is a good tool for existing buildings, and you can compare them with new buildings. And slide says is that in green buildings, and this is an example from Stockholm, you actually see higher rents. And when you talk about the rents, it's actually more than 170 millions each year. Probably you can add another zero on that value. So this is really where you have your impact, because office tenants and also nowadays retail tenants actually prefer to stay in a green building. As you see, you can see that the brokers really focus on this. If the property is green, they try to really screen that out. For examples on how this really has an impact on our revenue. Cost reduction, occupier market, investment market, and now also the debt market. What about the future? Maybe you notice that most of my examples are about environmental impact and not so much about social impact. But what we actually see now is a higher demand from office tenants on health, well-being, and productivity issues. They think that this is really important. They invest so much money in employee, and they also invested quite a lot of money on furniture and other nice things to have in the office environment. But now they also ask us questions about how will this environment affect our employees and our productivity. I would like to mention, which is both about environmental performance but also on human experience, is a shift in the market from calculated data and design phase to show your stakeholders actual performance.